Well, thanks to her grandbaby's ingenuity, a Rockford grandmother can hug her loved ones again without worrying about the coronavirus. A hug time machine that allows her kids to safely wrap up in their great-grandmother's embrace.
Families across the country replicated the idea by using shower curtains, PVC pipe, and disinfectant to surprise loved ones with what is now known as a hug curtain.
Says her hug time device has garnered international attention. She hopes other families can use the idea to hug their loved ones.
That would be pointless.
News cameras were rolling to capture her hugging her 4-year-old grandson for the first time in what felt like forever. Certainty we all feel better after getting a hug.
Megan, I hope she got a patent for that, though.
But is it safe?
Well, according to the medical director, Dr. David, it's not.
Unfortunately, does not offer the level of protection needed to prevent the transmission of COVID-19. Shower curtains are not personal protective equipment, and using it that way could increase your risk for exposure.
So these hug gloves / curtains aren't actually safe at all to use.
So we can verify that hug curtains are not safe.
So these aren't safe at all, it's just an illusion, and don't use them at all. They seem like a great idea and a good concept, but yeah, no, the doctor said they're useless. Useless like most of them face masks that people are wearing. But anyways, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Like this video and click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe and God bless you all.